How to find Instagram join date. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find Instagram join date. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone. So once you have opened up Instagram, now we want to check first when we signed up for Instagram, what is our join date for this account that we are using. So it's really easy to find. Let's go ahead and do that. Simply open up your profile on Instagram by clicking right here at the bottom of your screen. So now I have opened up my profile. Here I need to click on these three lines at the top corner of my screen. Once you click on these three lines, now we have settings, archive, activity, and more. I'm going to click on your activity. So here we have time spent, photos and videos, interactions, archived, and more. So right here at fourth number, we have account history. So if I click on account history, it will show me my name, my bio, privacy, email, and more. Here at the bottom, we have account created. You can see you created your account on April 22, 2022. So this is when I created my account, this Instagram account, and this is my date, my join date on Instagram. So you can also go ahead and check out your join date on Instagram by just going to your account history in your profile. So this way you will be able to see when you signed up for Instagram and how many years it has been. I hope that I was a big help and now you know how to check join date on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on bell notification, leave a comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel.